Our association has been focusing on the healthcare workforce by nurturing the next generation of Hispanic healthcare leaders through a variety of vehicles and programs, such as mentoring, scholarship support, professional development to managers, and networking with senior healthcare leaders. This year, on June 20th of 2012, our annual Healthcare Diversity Awards. On this day, we celebrated and recognized our fellow healthcare leaders for their commitment and accomplishments. We also acknowledge the support of our national, regional, community partners and supporters, such as Aetna, North Shore LIJ, MetLife, Greater New York Hospital Association, and others.
Our Managers Council Roundtable at the Greater New York Hospital Association was held in August of 2012. This roundtable serves as an educational, professional, and social support to early career and experienced Latino healthcare executives. It provides its members with continuing educational resources, professional development opportunities, and social settings for networking designed to develop the skills and the relationships necessary to navigate the management sphere of the healthcare environment and to help them achieve their career goals. On December 12, 2012, we held the Managers Council Leadership Essentials for Healthcare Leaders at the Beth Israel Medical Center. This event was sponsored by the Greater New York Hospital Association and AHE. Our community forum, the Affordable Care Act 2013 update, was held on February 28, 2013, presented by Dr. Jaime Torres, Regional Director of Region 2, representing the U.S. Secretary of Health and Human Services, Kathleen Sebelius. Members of AHE's Roundtable, such as the National Hispanic Medical Association, the National Association of Hispanic Nurses, the Hispanic Dental Association, and the Hispanic Chamber of Commerce were present to ask questions of Dr. Torres.
On March 11, 2013, the newly established Student and Young Professional Committee held its inaugural reception focusing on discussion of the role of the Latino healthcare leader in the 21st century. The Student and Young Professional Committee, representing undergraduate and graduate students, had an opportunity to establish conversations with top-level executives of hospitals such as New York Presbyterian Morgan Stanley Children's Hospital and Sloan Hospital for Women, as well as with Mary Medina from the Greater New York Hospital Association and Michael Melendez of CMS.
The Emergency Preparedness Panel discussion took place on April 17, 2013, at the Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center. Our keynote speaker was Kristen Stevens, Director of Emergency Management of the NYU Langone Medical Center, and our panelists discussed emergency preparedness for the hospital industry. Opening remarks were given by Catherine Martin, Senior Vice President of Memorial Sloan Kettering Center.
On April 18, 2013, we were exhibitors at Weill Cornell Medical Center for the Healthcare Leaders of New York Diversity and Inclusion Program, which was in collaboration with the organization Healthcare Leaders of New York. The program was moderated by Mary Medina of the Greater New York Hospital Association.
On May 23rd, the third business-to-business networking reception took place at the New York Historical Society, where we met and interacted with local small businesses owners, nonprofits, home-based businesses, restaurants, home offices, and others. At this occasion, we also had the opportunity to hear a presentation from Ms. P.J. Weiner, Assistant Director, Plan Management for the New York State Health and Benefit Exchange Program, New York State Department of Health.
On June 5th through 6th, we also collaborated with the LGBT Health Workforce Conference at Hunter College. AHE provided 40 student registration scholarships. The conference was chaired by Dr. J.P. Sanchez, and AHE's Vice President, Neil DeSoto, served on one of the panels. The 2013 scholarship reception for the Jose Pepe Morales Scholarship took place on Friday, June 7, 2013. AHE recognized undergraduate, graduate students pursuing careers in the health professions and administration with scholarships from the Jose Pepe Morales Health Leadership Scholarship Fund. 4 scholarships were given to 4 students in medical, dental, nursing, and public health schools.
In June of 2013, AHE received press coverage from the Latino Style magazine. George A. Zeppenfeld, president of AHE, was featured as a guest columnist in their June health issue, His View. The article was titled, "The Impact of the Affordable Care Act on Latinos." Impacto Latino New York featured coverage of the second annual Jose Morales Scholarship Reception, where 4 scholarships were presented to 4 students.